In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the domain rating in Semrush. This is an invaluable skill for anyone looking to optimize their website's performance and gain insights into their digital footprint. So, let's dive into the detailed step-by-step process. First off, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Once you have it ready, head over to the search bar and type in Semrush. Click on the first link that appears to visit the Semrush website. If you've never used Semrush before, you'll need to sign up for an account. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen instructions to set up your login details. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. After successfully logging into Semrush, you'll find yourself on the platform's main dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the Domain Analytics section in the menu. Under this category, you'll see an option called Domain Overview. Give that a click. Now, you'll be prompted to input the domain name you're interested in analyzing. Go ahead and type in the domain you want to learn more about and hit Enter. With just a few clicks, Semrush will present you with a wealth of data. You'll see the authority score prominently displayed. This score is a reflection of the overall quality and SEO performance of the domain. But it doesn't stop there. You'll also gain insight into other vital metrics, such as organic search traffic, the number of backlinks, and the top organic keywords associated with the domain. It's a treasure trove of information right at your fingertips. For those who are inclined to dig deeper, Semrush offers even more detailed insights. You can click on the authority score itself. This action will reveal additional layers of information about the score. You'll learn about the various factors that contribute to the domain's rating, as outlined by Semrush's algorithm. This could include elements such as the domain's backlink profile, its organic search traffic, and much more. Understanding these aspects will help you make informed decisions about your site and its SEO strategy. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to check a domain's rating using Semrush, empowering you with the knowledge to optimize your digital presence effectively. Remember, the key to successful SEO is not just having data, but understanding it and applying that understanding strategically. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.